Dear student, I would like to say you that today I am going to teach you main course book. From this book, we will learn about first lesson. Name of the first lesson is Chuskit Goes to School. First of all, we will discuss about writer of this story. Name of the writer is Sujata Padnavam. About Sujata Padnavam. Sujata Padnavam is attained a special educator and has worked with children with multiple disability in Delhi for 10 years. Currently, she is involved in environment condition performs in Ladakh and Pune. She writes this story, Chuskit Goes to School. Now we will discuss about word meaning from this story. First of all, eagerly, showing a lot of interest और एक्साइटिंग अबाउट समथिंग, किसी चीज़ को उत्सुकता से देखना. eagerly it means उत्सुकता. अमालय it means मदर इन लद्दाखी लैंग्वेज. लद्दाखी भाषा में माँ को अमालय कहा जाता है. लोशर ए फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटिंग द लद्दाखी और तिब्बतीय न्यू ईयर. लद्दाख और तिब्बत में जो न्यू ईयर फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड लोशर. गोनपा ए बुद्धिस्ट मोनेस्ट्री, एक बुद्धिस्ट फेस्टिवल है जिसको हम लोग गोनपा कहते हैं. एंड लास्ट है जुले, ए ग्रीटिंग इन लद्दाखी लैंग्वेज. हम लोग कभी एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं तो एक दूसरे का विश करते हैं, एक दूसरे को ग्रीट करते हैं तो नमस्कार बोलते हैं या गुड मॉर्निंग बोलते हैं. उसी तरह लद्दाखी भाषा में जुले बोला जाता है. फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी वी विल लर्न रीड ए हार्ट वार्मिंग स्टोरी ऑफ ए गर्ल हु कैन नॉट वॉक. Learn about compound adjective. Learn to arrange words in alphabetical order. Learn about abstract nouns and subject-verb agreement. Listen to a story and answer question. Role play a situation. Learn to write a formal letter. We will learn this topic from this chapter. Now we will discuss about this chapter. Chuskit is a girl who cannot go to school because she is unable to walk. Let's find out if her dream of going to school and receiving education comes true. Dear student, now we will discuss about this story. Summary of a story. The story is Chuskit woke up early that morning. It was a very special day and she was too excited to sleep till late. She eagerly looked out of the window next to her bed. It was a springtime in Ladakh and the apricot trees were in full bloom. Amale was walked to. Chuskit could hear Amale in the kitchen making gurgur tea. गुरगुर टी लद्दाखी भाषा में स्पेशल चाय बनाया जाता है जिसको गुरगुर टी के नाम से जाना जाता है. This was a day Chuskit was going to remember for a long time. Can you guess why? No, it was not Losher. That was many months away, nor was it any other special day in her village, like the Gonpa festival or a wedding day. Meaning of this paragraph is, there was a girl whose name was Chuskit. She cannot walk because she was unable to walk, but she want to read, write. One day he woke up late and hear gurgur, sound of gurgur tea, and she saw next to her bed out of window excitedly. That day, nor it was any special day in her village, like the Gonpa festival, like the wedding day. Today was going to be Chuskit's first day at school. She was very excited because today was going to be Chuskit's first day school. स्कूल का पहला दिन था जो उस दिन उसको जाना था, इसलिए वो बहुत एक्साइटेड हो रही थी. At 9 years, she had waited a long time for this. The school was not very far away from her home. To get there, you had to walk up to the main road. Just before a prayer wheel, you took the path to the left of the road that ran along a narrow stream. Near the poplar trees, you crossed the stream by jumping over the big rocks. Once you got to the other side, a short walk up a slope took you to the school. All the children of Skipto Yul Chuskit village walked to school every day, but not little Chuskit. She could not walk. Other children of her village every day goes to school, except Chuskit. Chuskit cannot go to school because she unable to walk. She could not walk. Chuskit was born with legs, but her legs did not work properly like everyone else. Her father had taken her to village Amchi, and Amchi it means name of doctor. Amchi called a doctor, and then to the doctor in Leh, but no amount of medicine had helped her walk. उसके पिताजी उसको लेकर के किसी डॉक्टर के पास गए, इलाज करवाए, लेकिन कोई भी दवा उसको चलने में सहयोग नहीं कर सका. At first, Chuskit did not realize that she was in any way different from Stobdan, Satobdan, her younger brother और हर कजिन, उसका एक छोटा भाई होता है जिसका नाम सतोबदन होता है, चचेरा भाई है. बट सोन देयर वेर मेनी थिंग्स शी कुड नॉट डू एज इजली एज दे कुड. वह चल नहीं सकती थी बिकॉज शी कैन नॉट एबल टू वॉक. बट अदर वर्क she do easily. That does not matter her abale. Abale it means father. In Ladakhi language, father को आबाले कहा जाता है. You can stitch. उसके पिताजी उसको कहते थे कि तुम सिल सकती हो. Better than any of them. दूसरे की अपेक्षा तुम अच्छा सिलाई कर सकती हो. And you draw very well. Abale often brought her some color pencil from Leh. So her father brought her some color pencil from Leh. Chuskit used a chair fitted with wheels to move around. Elders called it a wheelchair. When Abale first brought the wheelchair home, everyone in her family was very excited. Now I won't have to carry Chuskit everywhere. I can wheel her around, said Amale. Amale yani Ma. Her mother said that now Chuskit go around herself by the help of wheelchair, and I will be able to go wherever I want, cried Chuskit excitedly. Slowly, Chuskit learned to use her wheelchair. She would ask her mother to seat her in the wheelchair outside her home every evening. Then after some days, Chuskit learned to drive wheelchair, and sometimes she seated her mother in wheelchair and go outside every evening. One evening when Chuskit was sitting outside the house with the grandfather, a young boy come up to her. She carried a letter which he handed over to her grandfather, Julie. One day, Chuskit seated outside with her grandfather. A small boy come here and handed a letter to her grandfather and said, Julie. It means उनको वो ग्रीट करता है, विश करता है. विश करते हुए पत्र को उनके हाथ में सौंपता है. My name is Abdul and said, my name is Abdul and I study in class 6 at the government school. I have often wondered why you don't come to school. And he asked to the Chuskit that why you cannot come to school. Julie Abdul said, Chuskit, I have never been to school. The path to the school is too uneven and pebbly, and my wheelchair will get stuck. It would be very difficult for my parents to carry me to school and back every day. Then Chuskit said to Abdul that I have never been to school because the path of the school is very uneven and my wheelchair will get stuck. And it is very difficult that my parents carry me school and back at my home every day. But would you like to come to school? Asked Abdul. Then Abdul asked to her that you like to come to school. Of course, said Chuskit. I hear my younger brother talk to all the things he does at school. And she said to Abdul that I hear my younger brother talk to all the things he does at school. I want to study like other. I want to write. I want to make friend. I want to make uh, write exam. I want to wear uniform. I want to carry bag.